You are going to love the 2018 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.